Okay, so today I took 5 trades. It's a funded account, it's a combine, so it's fine. I'm up $446. So I took 5 trades, I will explain them. It's 2 losses, 3 wins. So this was the first trade over here. On the 32nd, I entered over here. We had London high, relative equal highs on London. So first of all, coming to the day, we had relative equal highs on London. If you see on NQ over here, it's equal highs. It's not even relative equal highs, it's equal highs. So this was my target, even though on MQ it's not like proper equal highs, because as you see this took it out, but it's still equal highs on MQ, and you should follow MQ. So we had the equal highs over here. I took a trade at over here, I think, and then I got stopped out. I got used as liquidity. Then I entered again after we swept this. My entry was over here, and then my stop was over here, targeting 1-to-1. It hit, and then I took another trade over here. It was a 1 minute IFEG, which is this one. Over here we had basically coming to the day I was bullish, but it doesn't really matter if I was bullish or bearish, because I just follow what it does. But we had all of this low resist liquidity over here, so this was my target. I entered over here, and then it hit. My stop was over here, and then I was targeting 1-to-1. It hit, and that was the third trade. And then basically, because I had to go, I had to do something quickly. So then I knew that we had Asia high, but over here I knew that after we created this 5 minute, like, what I wanted to see doesn't mean I know it's gonna happen. No, what I wanted to see is for us to go towards this 5 minute. So what happened is I enter over here on the 32nd. On the 32nd, I enter over here. My stop is above this high, above this swing high over here. So it's like basically I don't want to see it go back up. And then I was targeting the 5 minute, and then I get stopped out. And then I'll show all the executions after I explain the trades. And then enter the same trade, but I entered over here like this, but then I don't hold towards like I, I don't hold for 1-to-1, because here when I lost I didn't fully lose the entire amount, almost around like $200. So I just held until I was like up, what's it called, up until like 400 or whatever. I held until here, especially because if you can see over here, ES has been moving so much more than NQ. So like it's displayed to the upside, but NQ is showing signs of weakness. So when I got out over here, like when it took me out over here, it's 10:05. As you can see, ES like was going higher, so we got an SMT with it. And then I entered again over here. I just targeted like a 0.82, and then it hit. I could have held until here. 1 second, because I had, was it this? So yeah, I could have held until the 0.5, which was my target, which was 1-to-1 basically. But I didn't. I just wanted to get out. I just wanted to be done, especially with how price action is, and especially because I had to go. So this is why. But I can still see Asia high getting hit, and this high, especially that I think it is equal highs if I'm not mistaken. Let me see on NQ. No, it's relative equal highs. Yeah, so far this week I am up 300, so it's fine. Hopefully by Thursday I can pass the account, hopefully fingers crossed. But as you can see, the consistency is all that matters, even though over here, and this we see over here, it started very bad, very bad, but then over here we just start to pick it up, and then here. I'm not sure why here it says this. Oh no, wait, oh no, so this, oh damn, I did not know that, cause, wait, why, oh no, okay, I did not know that, I thought that's following each other. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I will trade the other one like with more risk, and then I will lower the risk of this. How much do I still have? Yeah. Anyways, this is today's trade. I still have it. Okay, so it's fine. This is today's trade. Up technically over here, 400. It's very unfortunate about the other account, but it's fine. And we still have 1.5 to go to pass the account. Hopefully, I'll pass it maybe by the beginning of next week, maybe Monday, Tuesday, hopefully. And yeah, this is the trade. So if you guys like, please like, subscribe, and yeah, if you guys want anything, please let me know, and I will show you. So yeah.